In this video, I'm going to show you the best filters for Axiom Pro. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, create an Axiom Pro account. And in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, from here, once you've done that and you have an account, you want to go to polls over here where we're going to talk about the filters. Now, before I begin, I am no financial advisor. These are just the filters I like to use. And you must note that these will not filter out the scams. Probably 99% of scams, or even more of the coins, will still be scams, okay? So it will filter out some of the scams, however 99% will still be scams, and of course no filters are foolproof. Many people don't even use filters. However, if you were to use filters, this is what I use. You can of course change it, modify it however you want to. As I said, that's what I use. I'm no financial advisor. So over here, let's go to the filters. So let's click anywhere over here. Let's go to new pairs first. So what I like to do over here is I actually just leave the pump on. So that's pretty much it. And then sometimes, depending on the day and what's currently happening, I do different keywords and exclude different keywords. So if you want to do that, you can do that if you want to. And then the two important things I usually do is I go into audit over here. I don't really mess with the age when it comes to new pairs. I just go to dev holding and I put it on max 10%. So the dev holding can max be of 10%. And then I go down here to the bundle percentage and I put it 20 at max as well. So that's pretty much what I do. Inside metrics and socials, I don't really change anything when it comes to new pairs. So that's pretty much it when it comes to this. Now, inside final stretch, I also like to leave it as pump. So sometimes I put it on moonshot. However, most of the time I leave it on pump. If we go to audit over here, what I do is I put dev holding on max 10%, I put bundle on max 20%, and I put in a minimum of 40 holders. Now, sometimes I would do 50 or 60, but most of the time I do 40 because that just works for me. So when it comes to final stretch, that's pretty much it. And under metrics and socials, again, I don't do anything. Now inside migrated, I go over here to protocols, and yet again, I put in pump, and I don't check moonshot because I just prefer pump. And under search keywords and exclude keywords, I sometimes put something, as I said earlier, under new pairs, pretty much the same thing. And most of the time, I don't really bother with that. Now, inside audit, what I do is I put age 60 minutes. Sometimes I do 45 or 50, but most of the time I do 60. Dev holding should be at least 5% for me. So, I mean, not at least, at most 5%. So max 5%. And then the bundle, max 15% and at least 75 holders. Sometimes I do more, maybe 100 or maybe like 80 to 90, but most of the time I just leave it at 75. Now, once you're done, you can click apply all and your filters will be applied over here. Yet again, this will not filter out all the scams, so of course some will get filtered out. However, still 99% of the coins are still scams, so do this and proceed with caution because, as I said, those are just my preferred filters. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.